Hi, I'm Marlén Romero Garcia. I'm an immigration attorney at the YWCA Elgin.
What is the best way to confirm if someone has been detained by ICE?
The best way to confirm would be in person to get as much information as possible from ICE officers who are doing the apprehension, and to also record as much as possible as well. Take pictures, take video of the ICE officer's license plate, the ICE officer's face, name, if possible, and just obtain as much information as possible. Even ask the ICE officers where this person is being detained, where they're being taken to be registered and apprehended.
Are there specific databases or tools available to locate individuals in ICE custody?
Yes, there is a database offered under locator.ice.gov where a person can be found based on some personal information.
What information is typically required to search for someone in ICE custody?
The most important piece of information to locate someone who has been detained by ICE would be the person's A number. This is also called the person's alien number, the person's USCIS number, or the person's file number. And this is a 9-digit number that can be used to locate the person specifically. That's why it's important to keep record of this number if you have one. If that is not available, you can also locate a person with their full name, their country of origin, and their date of birth.
What challenges might families face when trying to locate a detained person, and how can they overcome them?
The challenges that will be faced by a family member or a friend who's trying to locate a detained person would include the number of days that it could take to find where this person is being detained. If that information is not already obtained, then it could be a few days or more to be able to find this person in the ICE locator system. The other challenge could also be the fact that the person could be detained far away in another state, possibly too. And in order to visit this person or to contact them, then you would have specific information and would have to travel far away too.
Are families or legal representatives notified when families is detained by ICE? If so, how and when?
It may be possible for attorneys to be contacted if a person has been detained by ICE, if there is a G28 form with the attorney's information on file for this person who has been detained. And this form is already obtained by the ICE officers. If not, then you would have to wait until the person can be located in the ICE locator system to obtain their direct contact information for the location where they're being detained. Also, a possibility would be that the person gets the phone call available for them so that they can contact their family members or an attorney. That's why it's important for everyone to have phone numbers memorized so that they can contact somebody if this ever happens.
What does the intake process look like for someone detained by ICE, and how long can it take before they are officially listed in the system?
The intake process when someone is detained by ICE would include things like a photograph being taken of the person who's being detained, fingerprints are taken, information as well would be taken, such as name, address, and things would be asked of the person in regards to their status. This processing of the intake could take a few days or longer.
What rights do detained individuals have in terms of accessing legal representation or contacting family members?
A person who has been detained by ICE does have the right to contact family members and legal representation. When contacting legal representation, please keep in mind that The legal fees must be paid by the family or the person being detained.
What steps should families take if they cannot locate loved ones through ICE systems or other channels?
The first thing to do is to remain patient. Keep trying to locate the person who has been detained through the locator system or wait for the person's call. Have your phone with you at all times in case this person calls. Another resource would be to contact the ICER hotline number 1-855 Help My Family or 1-855-435-7693. And you would be given information helpful to locating the person.